Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to discuss about a product which is called as short video machine, as you can see right here, which is the short video machine. And before telling you anything about the product, let me make it very clear that if you go out buying the product from the link in the description, then I will get some commissions from your purchase. It is simply because I am referring you to the product creator, and that is why he or she will incentivize me with the product with the commissions. Okay, without you paying anything extra for the product, I will get a particular commission from the product creator. Okay, so with that note, let us start reviewing the product which is called as short video machine. And I will show you everything about the product, and I will give you a lot of bonuses from my side. Let me show you my bonuses, and I will give you everything everything right here in this page for completely free. As you can see, a lot of bonuses from my side. You will get everything completely for free from my side if you buy the product from the link in the description. Okay, so without wasting further more time, let us start reviewing the product, and so let's get started. Hey guys, welcome. So as you can see, the short video machine, what it is, as you can see, profit right now from YouTube's short algorithm in 2022. Create and upload hundreds of videos every single day with complete automation. Everything will be done for you, completely automated, and generate traffic in less than a day to your office. So as you can see, top keywords and 214 views, and in 7 hours ago this video was uploaded. So actual video I use as an example in the training, so you will get to know everything in details. So why the short video machine will help, and a lot of reason, everything we will discuss. But let me, before telling you anything about the product furthermore, let me show you what are the things that I'm going to give you from my side, what you will be getting if you buy the product from me and from nowhere else. Okay, so this is my bonus page. As you can see, this bonus page is completely for short video machine, and I have briefed about the product as well, and then we are having our bonuses. So get short video machine and all the bonuses which is down below. The bonus number 1, these bonuses are collection of bonuses. These are not single bonuses, but these are collections. Okay, the bonus number 1 is, I will say, if you suppose end up buying the product which is short video machine. Okay, when you use and upload videos on YouTube, then you will get to generate a lot of traffic from that videos. So when you get a lot of traffic from that videos, and you are going to promote products from YouTube, then the first and foremost thing that you should do is you have to promote affiliate products. Means you can do affiliate marketing in a way which does not require a lot of hard work from your side. If you can get that work done, then you will be very much profitable online. But to do that, you need tremendous knowledge of affiliate marketing, and that knowledge gap of yours with affiliate marketing, and I'm going to fill out with the bonus number 1 which I'm going to give you, and which is completely top 16 affiliate marketing courses from my side, completely for free to you if you buy the product from the link which is down below. So as you can see, the bonus number 1 right here is $1 million toolbox, 6-figure influx, $200 cashback, commission blueprint, $2,000 CPA, $300 CPA, and everything in details, commission profit hack, how to make commission glitch, everything. Top 16 affiliate marketing courses which is completely yours if you buy the product from the link which is down below. All you need to do is simply click on any of these yellow buttons right here which says click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, and you will land on the sales page of the short video machine. And from the sales page, if you buy the product, then all of these bonuses will be transferred to your account. Okay, this was only my bonus number 1. The bonus number 2 I'm going to give you is the backbone of affiliate marketing. Everyone says it is the backbone of affiliate marketing. What it is the affiliate marketing means the thing which is required the most for affiliate marketers is a traffic. Means the visitors or the customers to the to the affiliate marketing products is, I will give you as my bonus number 2. You will get this traffic from short video machine program as well, but I will give you the bonus number 2, which is completely regarding to affiliate marketing courses. The traffic courses for affiliate marketing. You will get tremendous amount of knowledge of how to get traffic, how to promote products through my bonus number 2, as you can see right here. The clones, Fuego Breakout, Bang Bang Profits, Fuego Multiply, 0 Hour Work Days, Incognito. There are 6 traffic courses, as you can see, which is simply for yours, completely free if you buy this short video machine from my side. If you click the link in the description, okay, you will land on this page. From this page, you can simply click on any of these yellow buttons and you will land on the sales page of short video machine. If you buy the product, all of these bonuses will be transferred directly to your account. Okay, this was the bonus number 2 which I'm going to give you, and the bonus number 3 is very much special because it is only regarding to how to make money online. All of these are practices of how people are making money online, and you can replicate the same and exact strategies to make a fortune for your own. And all of these there are a lot of money making tactics which I'm going to show you as my bonus number 3. Okay, as you can see, 0 hour work days, then you will be having from $0 to $100 in 24 hours. The breakthrough, El Bandito, Lost Code, Profit Factory, Secret Weapon, Mobile, Easy Passive Paydays. All of these there are 9 top money making courses which I'm going to give you completely for free. This is me, this is my page, and there is one catch, which is this timer, because after this timer hits 0, I will not be responsible for sending these bonuses to you. It is completely your choice and you will be solely responsible if you do not get the bonuses. But before this timer hits 0, it is completely and solely my responsibility to send all of these bonuses to you, and I will take care that you get all these bonuses. Okay, so this was it about my bonuses. Now let us see at a little more detail what this short video machine is. As you can see, so why this short video machine? Because short videos are the videos which are shorter than 1 minute, but typically which is of 5 to 30 seconds. Why short videos? Short videos are quick, easy, bite-sized versions of normal videos, okay, which are very much trending, you know already. Learn how to automate the creation and uploading short videos. Automation means you can upload consistently every day, what YouTube loves. Get traffic to your offers every single day. Get views and subscribers with full automation. Every short video can generate 20, 50, 100, 200 or even 1000 views. You do not need to do any SEO, backlinks, etc. Just upload them on autopilot. The quick introduction. This is the person who is behind this product. Okay, his name is Eric. Short video machine solves the problem for you. Traffic on demand. What you can do with all this traffic? You can build an email list, send traffic to your offers, get more subscribers, get signups to your webinars, get buyers to your products, get new clients to your services. No fancy sales page. What you will get when you buy, so they are solely responsible for the product, and you will learn exactly how to create and edit short videos in minutes and set up campaigns using a few services combined with create and upload short videos YouTube completely on autopilot without nothing held back. No refund policy. In the training, you will discuss exactly how to combine several services and tools to make this happen. In other words, I will share complete strategy I have been testing and perfecting for a long time. Therefore, you will get all the knowledge whether you use it or not. Can I guarantee you will get the results? That depends on your work, hard work and ethics, your niche and many factors. Most people get no results or little result because they neither do anything and they give up too soon. If you do nothing, you will get nothing. Do the hard work, follow my steps, be patient, you will get the results. If you are unsure with the product, please do not buy it. So they are very much confident about the product, that they have put on genuine thing inside the product. Okay, a lot of FAQs as well, where to Where do the short videos come from? What do you use for to create the videos? Do I need additional products? Are there a zillion upsells I need to buy? There is no upsell, as you can see. So why this training is so expensive and not less? How much money will I make through this training? So there are a lot of FAQs. You can read it out, everything in details. The price is $97. The price was $147, but today it is $97. So everything you will get at $97 only. And if you wanna get result through this product, kindly consider clicking on the link in the description. You will land on my bonus page. You will get tons of bonuses from my side, and you will get tremendous knowledge from my bonuses as well as if you buy the product, then you will get tremendous amount of knowledge from this product as well. So combining everything, you will have a great deal if you buy the product from the link in the description. So now completely your choice, the ball is in your court. So now wrapping up this video, if you have any doubt regarding the product, kindly contact me in the comment section down below. If I am not able to answer the query, then I will ask Eric to solve it out and I will reply you definitely. So kindly consider commenting in the section down below. So I hope this was clear. Kindly consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and press the bell icon. I will meet you on the next video with another product. Till then, take care and bye bye.